Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We have received a question. Is it permissible to read or recite the poetry of the Sufiya of my region? Well, dear questioner, I have no idea which particular person or poetry you're talking about. Unless I see the poetry, unless I'm able to review it, I cannot comment. But I can give you a general principle. Number one, regarding any poetry or any material or any content, we must understand what is inside, and then we must also, and most importantly, see what benefit, if any, it brings to the reader or the reciter or the listener. Most importantly, we have in the form of the Quran and the Sunnah the criterion to judge what material is halal or haram. Last but not least, I would like to add that why don't we make the Quran and the Hadith our primary mode of reading, reciting, tabligh and dawah, so that we can never go wrong. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with the opportunity to read, understand and act upon the Quran and Sunnah.